today I'm just going to talk about, some nutrients that we really want to focus on really, for all women throughout the entire life cycle. And I would say, I'm gonna really focus on calcium, but I would say iron and calcium are two that are super, super important. Iron's obviously very, very important as we're starting to get our periods, as we're through, through that age of menstruation, and even during menopause and premenopause and, during menopause. But, obviously during menstruation times, iron's important because we are losing blood, which carries a lot of the iron in our body. So we want to replenish that. It's always very, very important to replenish our iron stores. So that's really all I'm going to really mention about iron. But for calcium, it's something we really focus on, for really everybody. And women in specific, we focus a lot on calcium because we want to prevent osteoporosis, osteopenia, things like that, right? And calcium is number one nutrient that will help keep our bones strong. So with calcium, we also really want to focus on physical activity and doing weight-bearing exercises, right? We want to do even doing chair exercises, right? And just taking some weights and going like this for, 10, 15 minutes every day, doing something to help keep that muscle, to prevent muscle wasting, to prevent our bones from, going through this process of osteoporosis. So, calcium along with this weight-bearing physical activity is going to be super, super important. So, when our children are younger, we're focusing on getting calcium for them right after they finish up, formula or breast milk, whatever it is. We give them, let's say cow's milk or some sort of milk alternative that has calcium in there. And if they're not into milk, we give them yogurt and cheese, and tons of foods that have really good sources of calcium, because calcium is going to be very, very important. And then just through the life cycle, calcium will continue to be important because our bone health is always going to be of utmost importance to us, right? There's always, I think every part of our body, obviously, and the health of our body is always going to be of utmost importance. But bone health, that's the structure of us. That's what keeps us standing. That's what keeps us going. So we want our bones to be healthy. We want them to be strong. I know that there are, a ton of dairy sources that have calcium. But today we're going to talk about some sources, in Sam and my recipes, we'll talk of some sources that are actually not dairy sources. They're more leafy greens and vegetable sources that have good calcium in them as well. So